Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name on the Waze app. If you want to update the name that appears on your Waze profile, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the My Waze or profile icon to access your account. Next, tap your profile at the top of the screen, then look for the Edit Profile or Account option. Depending on your version of Waze, you may need to tap the pencil or edit icon. After that, tap your current display name and enter the new name you want to use. Make sure the name follows Waze community guidelines if prompted. Once you've entered your new name, tap Save or Done to apply the changes. Your new update name should appear on your profile and may also be visible to other Waze users. If your name doesn't change right away, close and reopen the Waze app or sign out and sign back in to refresh your account information. We should also check for any available app dates if the option to edit your profile is not visible. And that's it. That's how you can change your name on the Waze app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.